4 in 1 plate. Wow, 4 in 1. All you can eat sa halagang 3.8 BD lamang dito sa Sushi Mo Pares. Yes mga katropa, bagong abangan natin dito sa Al Najma Joe Fair ang Sushi Mo Pares. Mas pinamura at mas maraming choices this time. 4 in 1 plate. Dahil meron itong Filipino food, Chinese food, Japanese food, at Korean food. Sa Filipino food, merong lechon manok, lempo, crispy pata, crispy dinuguan, at iba pa. Chinese na may stir-fried noodles, fried rice, dim sum, dumplings, Shanghai, siomai, at iba pa. Sa Japanese, may only sushi, takoyaki, katsukari, at iba pa. At ang Korean food na may Korean barbecue, shabu-shabu, pili ka lang. Chicken, beef, pork na may dipping sauces, may vegetables on the sides, kimchi, at iba pang mga salad. Kaya abangan ang winter promotion ng Sushi Mo Pares dito sa may Al Najma Joe Fair sa aming mga social media accounts. Open po sila from 4 PM until 2 AM in the morning. Daily po yan. Alright.